I'm sure you've heard the news. Superfoods are taking the health world by storm. Today, let's dive into the top 5 for your heart. First up, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Next, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which support heart health by lowering cholesterol and improving blood flow. Third, let's talk nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber that can help reduce cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease. Fourth on the list, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation and keeping your arteries clear. Finally, oats. This humble grain is a powerhouse of soluble fiber that can lower LDL cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet and give your heart the love it deserves. Stay healthy and eat smart.